little more. It's a nice place. Good stuff. Where are you? Where you work?
I work for a company called Nest Technologies.
Huh?
Nest Technologies.
Nest Technologies. Okay.
I hit Chennai.
Yeah. Not from here or what? Oh man! Oh wow! Yay! Yeah, this time he's done it. Too good. Wait, even I'm there. There comes Sahil again. That was a close escape. Last time we went to this off-roading, he was teaching his brother Manish.
Oh.
And that's when our vehicle had a problem.
Oh, okay.
Went and got stuck in one place and the gear got jammed.
Oh, gear got jammed.
Yeah. We towed the vehicle, pushed the vehicle in the middle of nowhere, sand. Push.
Cross
Yes. Cross. Go!
Manish is his brother.
Yeah. Oh, this is his son Sahil. His brother Manish.
Oh.
He really had a hard time. I mean, he was teaching him this way only, in the middle of that place, and the gear got jammed. Got stuck actually in one of the things.
Oh.
He's doing cross this way. Yay! That's it. Off-roading.